Where is my marker? Don't you know where is my marker?
No, I don't.
Where is it? What's this? Oh, you are here. Welcome to your channel, Deutsch Hub Learning. But today, we want to learn how we can ask. Let's go. Here it is. Today, in this course, we want to learn how we can produce a question or how we can ask a question in German language. Actually, there is different ways to ask a question or to produce a question in German language, but today we want to learn the single one. If I want to compare with English, it looks like a WH question. Let's start. The first one is was. Was. That means what. The second one is wie. Wie. That means how. The third one is wo. Wo. That means where. And the next one here, we have wer. Wer. That means who. The next one here, we have wann. Wann. That means when. The next one, woher. Woher. That means from where. And the next one is wohin. Wohin, that means to where. Here we have two wer-frage. Actually, they have the same meaning. Warum and wieso. That means why.
Was ist denn das? Wie ist das Wetter? Wo bist du? Wer ist er? Wann ist unser Deutschkurs? Woher kommst du? Wohin gehst du? Warum lernen Sie Deutsch?